Welcome to this e-commerce video. In this tutorial, we will see how you can easily create a complete and effective e-commerce system in less than 5 minutes. Let's start from the site maker. Now let's enable e-commerce first on the site. Click on the site options and then e-commerce. Here, the first thing you need to do is enable e-commerce. As you click on this switch, all the other e-commerce options appear below it, like for example, if login by your visitors is required for using e-commerce, and we actually strongly suggest enabling this as it allows you to more easily manage customers. Then you can specify the email address where orders and invoices will be sent and the currency of your e-commerce system. You then find the payment details section. Here you can enable Stripe and PayPal as payment methods for your e-commerce. In both cases, all you have to do is enter the API details that these two providers will give you and that you find in the Stripe dashboard or in the PayPal Developer Center. Here below you find the links to the section on both Stripe and PayPal where you can find the info you need to enter in this section. You can then manage shipping costs. The system works with zones, and you can add as many zones as you want, each one with a different cost, total or for item. For example, here we are adding one single zone, word, with a specific total cost, but you can add other zones with different options. Finally, you can manage taxes that will be applied to the shopping cart total. As with shipping, you can add as many different taxes as you want, each one with a different type, percentage or fixed amount, like for example, the VAT that most European countries have. Okay, you're now done preparing the e-commerce system for your website. It's time to add products and create our catalog. From the list of pages, you can click on the page where you want to add your list of products. Remember that you can create all the e-commerce pages you want, and that allows you to easily create categories, for example. Once you choose the page, you need to add the catalog widget, and you can even add more than one widget in each page. Since we already have this widget, we can click on it and proceed. First of all, you can customize the way products are presented in the list. By default, each item has an Add to Cart button and the price shown, but you can hide it by clicking here. Now let's go to the actual list and open a product. The first options you see are related to e-commerce. You can enter the price of this item here and even an original price which will be shown crossed out. Then you can add a specific additional shipping cost for this item and the maximum quantity each customer can add and buy in his basket. Then you find the options and choices section for this product. This is very handy for products like clothing, food, accessories, or anything else that has different choices like size or color. All you have to do is add a new option, give it a name, and then specify the different choices, one per row, in this text area right here. Okay, moving down, you can specify the product details like its name, abstract, which is a text shown in lists, full description obviously, and images. So let's save this and let's move to the real website now to see how your e-commerce system behaves and works. This is the website you're working on, and this is the catalog where you added this product. Here you see the price with the original price crossed out, the options, and the Add to Cart button that you can use to add this product to your basket. So let's do it. Let's click on it. And here, this product has been added to the shopping cart. Now you and your users can click on this button to see their shopping cart with the totals, taxes, and shipping correctly calculated, depending on what you enter in the e-commerce section of your website, and ready to be used in the checkout process. So let's click on the checkout button, and once the billing details are filled in, you can either proceed to payment. Remember, you added the details for Stripe, so credit cards are available as a payment method, or just send the order without paying it. So let's do this. Let's send the order without paying it, and you immediately get an email in your inbox at the address you specified in the e-commerce options with all the details about this order and about the customer. But that's not all. If you go back to your website e-commerce section and click on the Show Orders button, you see all the orders and invoices you have received, ordered by the date with the most recent first. You can change status for each order. As you see, this order is marked as not paid. And you can open it in a very handy PDF file that you can then save or print. So yes, less than 5 minutes and you now have a complete e-commerce system. Amazing, no?